Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your screen orientation. You can flip it between landscape, and then also you can get the long way, whatever it is, portrait here. You can flip to the portrait. So this is very easy to do. So you can just right click on your desktop and go to display settings right here, and then select the monitor you want to flip. So maybe you got 3 of them. Maybe your third one would be the one you want to flip. But we can just go on down, and we had screen orientation right here. We can just go to landscape and then go to portrait. We can go to landscape flip or portrait flipped right here. And then it's going to rotate your entire screen. So if I do on this computer, it's going to look like this. And it's going to look kind of goofy. So you can kind of see right there, and it's going to revert if you can't get it again. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.